Our brand founder, Kevyn Aucoin, was a pioneer when it came to educating the public on how to enhance their features through the use of light and shadow. In his book, Making Faces, he talks about lighter shades making your features stand out and darker shades pushing the features back. Then he goes on to talk about texture and using the element of glow, radiance, or iridescence to make features stand out even further by reflecting light. I'm Nick Lujan, the Director of Artistry and Education for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty, and today I want to talk about bringing out features using the Glass Glow Face product. Our Glass Glow Face is a unique gel highlighter that's nourishing for your skin. It comes in 6 amazing shades that are universal. Even the lighter shade will work on deeper skin tones, and the deepest shades will work on lighter skin tones. This unique formula contains passion fruit oil and marula oil, which are high in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, which are very nourishing to our skin. It's going to help you to highlight your features, and you can use it in many different ways. You can place it underneath your liquid or cream foundation, you can blend it into your liquid or cream foundation, or you can gently press it on top of your features. Glass Glow Face is super easy to work into your daily makeup routine. You can use it on bare skin, and like I said earlier, you can blend it into your favorite liquid or cream formulas, but today I want to show you how to use it by placing it on top of your complexion as a final step using my favorite shade, Prism Rose. Start by squeezing out about a half a pump or a grain of rice amount. That's really all you need to use as a final step. Work it into your fingertip, and then you're going to move your face to different angles to find the light and see how it reflects off your feature. So as I move my face around, the light is reflecting off my bone structure, and I can see where the most flattering reflections of light are and enhance them with a little bit of my Glass Glow Face so that no matter the scenario for lighting in the room, the light is always going to find that glass glow for the most beautiful reflection. I want to leave you with a few of my favorite Power Partner products that play well with Glass Glow Face. The first one is our Foundation Balm. This is a full coverage demi-matte foundation formula that comes with a brush. I love to partner this with Glass Glow Face. You can add a couple drops of Glass Glow Face into your foundation before you apply it to customize the level of radiance of any matte cream foundation. The next Power Partner is our loose setting powder. I love to set my complexion with a matte finish so that when I do apply Glass Glow, you can really see that specific placement and that balance in texture of the skin. And lastly, one of my most important and one of my most favorite products to partner with Glass Glow Face is our Sculpting Powder. Apply your Sculpting Powder to add dimension to your features, to really push back underneath the cheekbone, the hairline, the chin, the jaw, and the tip of the nose, and then use your Glass Glow to finish the look, to help bring features forward like I did today with my cheekbone and the bridge of my nose. We can't wait to see how you're using your Glass Glow Face, so make sure that you tag us at Kevyn Aucoin and hashtag Team Kevyn so that we can follow along in your makeup journey.